Okay, class, this is part 2 of section 7.1. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to have to identify the values, or in this case, the order pair for each of those letters. Now I've zoomed out as much as I can on my phone, so just bear with me. It might not be as large as I wanted to, but it's still viable. So let's take a look at the first one, P. So letter P right there. Once again, you're going to have to count. You have 1, you have 2, and it lands in 3 right there. Notice that it doesn't go up or down. So for the X value, it's going to be 3. And since it doesn't go up or down, your Y value will be 0. All right, so P, the ordered pair for it will be 3, 0. Let's take a look at Q. Q goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once again, well, sorry about that. I was looking at U, but let's take a look at Q. Q doesn't move. It's in the center right there, but so X here will be 0. And it moves down 1, 2. So it'll be -2. So the order pair for Q is 0, -2. Our next value is our R. So R, once again, start on the horizontal. So it'll be 1, 2. So your X value will be 2. And then you're going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're at -4. So the ordered pair for R is 2, -4. Once again, it's not a very difficult thing to do. You're actually not doing any calculations. It's more observational than anything else. Our next value is S. So once again, start from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's to the left, so it's negative. So your X value is -5. And then you're going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4. So your value for your Y will be -4. So once again, what they want you to do is to go ahead and practice with this. Same thing with T. T, on the X, it doesn't travel. So your X value will be 0. And then you're going to move up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice that it's at halfway through there. So it's between 4 and 5. So this will be 4.5. Again, they may or may not give you something like this. And by the way, they're not going to give you fractions because most of these graphs, you cannot do it fractional wise in My Math Lab or any other graph. They would have to break it apart. It's just too much work there. So same thing with U. You start from the center, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the X value will be 5. You have to travel 5 places to the right, and then you have to travel 1, 2 places up. So your coordinate ordered pair for U is 5, 2. And finally, your letter V. Your letter V, you have to travel 1, 2, 3. So it's -3 to the left. So your X value will be -3. And now we're going to go ahead and take a look at what your Y value will be. So it's at -3 here. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So your value is +4. So once again, in this case, your V will be at -3 and 4. All right, so this concludes part 2 of section 7.1.